Seriously. What is that? No.
Leave me up, Scotty!
Here there. I wonder what's going to come out of there. Oh, the alien. Did you see the alien on the bench?
Hello? Hello. Planet Earth. I'm drifting a long time down the cosmic freeway. I've smoked stars, sniffed wormholes, and licked the edge of black holes. But nothing. Sounds like you. You creatures hum, even when you scream, even when you fall. I recognize a melody beneath the madness. Not loud,
Just watch it.
not proud, but true. It's that stubborn signal slipping through your ruins. Embrace that frequency.
Oh my god, what?
Are you kidding me?
What a letdown.
Beer's overrated. I've got an alien landed in my head.
Look at that. That is freaky.
Hello again. Somewhere, a galaxy just blushed. Jupiter's rings are applauding. Black holes are taking notes. Don't stop now. Ride the frequency of love. Let it burn through you. Because love ignites peace. And peace unleashes freedom. We brought another friend. And then there were three. We started our group, our circle of friends. And like that circle, there is no beginning or end. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift. This was Mysteryland. You danced, you hummed, you broadcast your love straight into the stratosphere. Stay tuned to the frequency. We'll be listening. Until we meet again, stay weird, stay kind, and keep that love on full volume. Thank you for everything.